I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start now by confirming your subscription is active and noting the decoder lights. This tells you if service or hardware is the issue. Next, inspect the dish, cable runs, and LNB connectors for obvious damage or loose fittings because physical faults cause most errors. Once done, perform a proper restart. Power down the decoder, remove mains for 30 seconds, wait, reconnect, and power on. This hard reset often clears transient errors and forces the box to re-establish satellite lock and server handshake. Once your decoder reboots, go into the settings and run the satellite signal test to view quality and lock indicators. You want consistent signal percentage above about 60. If transponders or channels are missing, perform a full blind or satellite rescan to repopulate channel lists and correct PID mappings. Also, verify the decoder software version and apply any available updates, because outdated firmware can produce authentication or decoding errors. Updating fixes protocol mismatch. Finish by powering down and gently reseating the smart card. Clean the contacts and ensure correct orientation because card read errors are common. If the problem persists, note the exact error code and signal numbers and contact Dstv support so they can check your account and downstream provisioning. If advised, try a known good cable or swap in a spare decoder to isolate hardware failure. One troubleshooting tip: if intermittent lock occurs during rain, suspect alignment or LNB degradation and schedule a professional dish check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.